Unlocking the meaning of monumental. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning and use of a powerful word, monumental. This word can add a significant weight to your descriptions and is a fantastic tool to have in your English language toolbox. So let's get started on understanding how to use this massive word effectively. Monumental is an adjective that comes from the word monument, which is a type of structure created to remember an important event or person. However, when we use monumental, we're often not talking about statues or buildings, but about things that are huge, impressive, or exceptionally great in size, significance, or effort. For example, when a task requires an extraordinary amount of work, you might say, "It was a monumental effort." Or when referring to a historic event that changes the world, you could describe it as a monumental moment in history. Using monumental in a sentence can help you convey the enormity or grandeur of something. Let's look at a few examples to see it in action. Completing the marathon was a monumental achievement for him. The company's success had a monumental impact on the industry. They faced monumental challenges but overcame them with determination. Notice how monumental can describe physical achievements, impacts, or challenges. It amplifies the importance or difficulty of the subject. Monumental also carries an emotional weight, adding a sense of awe or respect. When something is described as monumental, it's not just big, it's also respect-worthy and inspiring. This is why you'll often hear it in speeches and writings that aim to uplift or motivate. For example, when someone recovers from an illness against great odds, you might hear it said, "Their recovery was nothing short of monumental." Even though monumental is versatile, it's not suitable for all contexts. It's important not to use it for everyday achievements or minor tasks. Saying, "I finished a monumental cup of coffee," would be an exaggeration unless it's used humorously to imply that the coffee was unusually large or satisfying. There you have it, monumental, in a nutshell. It's a word that packs a punch and elevates the subject matter to new heights. Use it to impress, inspire, and articulate the magnitude of an event, task, or achievement. We hope this video has been monumental in advancing your understanding of English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon you'll handle the English language with monumental proficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you next time.